Hey guys, this is Sam here, and I'm the founder of 3D Lifestyle Academy, and it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you to Module 1 of the Building Blocks for a Successful Online Business course. Now, before you start up with this course, I wanted to give you a brief overview of all the things that I'm going to cover in this course. Now, there are three different phases that every business goes through, and how you implement these three phases ultimately determines the overall success of your business. So let me pull my whiteboard here, and I'm gonna draw it out to you to explain to you what I mean by that. Okay, so let me pull up my scratch pad right here, and the three phases that every business goes through, they are: phase number one is a build phase. Phase number two is optimize phase. And phase number three is scale phase. So these are the three phases that every business goes through. Now, in this particular course, we are going to be focused on the build phase right here. This is what we are going to focus on. Okay, and this is where most of the new internet marketers, they falter. This is where they build their business the wrong way, and they never get to optimize phase, and they never get to scale phase. So my goal in this course is for to teach you how to build your business the right way from get-go, so that you'll be quickly able to optimize your business and then of course scale your business, and this is where the actual money is made. Okay, so let me give you a very high level representation of a sales funnel. So this is your funnel, looks like something like this. This is your sales funnel, say. Okay, so this is your funnel right here, and what we do is basically, as you can see, that I'm not the best artist as when it comes to drawing, but anyways, we send traffic through this funnel, and then when we send traffic through this funnel, and if we have built and optimized this funnel the right way, then this traffic is going to convert into dollars, and this is our ultimate goal is. Okay, so let me take it one step further and break down this sales funnel, and if none of this makes any sense to you at this point of time, don't worry, because I'm going to walk you through every single step. Okay, so say this is the offer that you want to promote. Okay, so this is your offer. Now, what do you need to promote this offer? You need an audience, preferably hungry audience, who actually want this product. Okay, they want to buy this product. So let's assume that all your audience, they are hanging out right here. Okay, so this is where all your audience is hanging out. And so on. Okay, now what we do, we basically place an ad in front of these audiences. We place multiple ads in front of these audiences, and then when they click on this ad, we send them to our offer, and we hope that they buy. Now, this is what first mistake most of the new internet marketers make. What they do is they directly send this audience or these folks to their offer. Now, what happens is, like, most of these folks who are hanging out here, they are not necessarily in a buying mode. You know, some of them are just browsing through the internet, some of them are going through their Facebook feed, some of them are watching YouTube video. So not necessarily they're looking for a product, but once they come across your ad, they click on your ad and then they go to your offer, and they are pretty cold at this point as far as buying is concerned. So when you send them directly to your offer, the conversion rate for these folks to actually go and buy your product is very, very low. Not only that, by doing so, by sending these folks directly to your offer, you also run into policy violation problems with some of these big marketing platforms like Facebook, AdWords and all, and your business could be shut down, you know. So what I want to teach you in this course is how to build your business the right way from get-go. Okay, so the better way of promoting your product is basically, in place of sending someone directly to your offer, what we do is we should build something called right here an opt-in page. Okay, or you also call it your landing page, your opt-in page or your landing page. And in this opt-in page, basically we collect emails. So you place your ads right here in front of these folks and you send them to your opt-in page where they enter their email, and then their email goes to your autoresponders right here. So this is your autoresponder, which is a part of your email marketing campaign. So you get the emails to your autoresponders right here, and then from here you send them to the offer page. Now some of them would buy your product and some of them may not buy your product, but then that's where our email marketing campaign kicks in and we start sending email to these folks, and the purpose of that email is to keep sending them back to the offer again and again and again, like this. Okay, so this is a slightly better way of promoting your product than the first way, where you directly send these audience or traffic to your offer. Okay, but there's even a better way of promoting than this. So basically, in place of sending them directly to the offer page, what I like to do is I like to create something called a squeeze page. Squeeze page. We also call it a pre-frame page. Pre-frame page. So basically, so these audiences, they will come to your opt-in page, and from your opt-in page you are going to send them to your squeeze page, and then in the squeeze page there would be some content. There would be probably, hopefully, a video for them to watch, and then bunch of content here, and from here you send them to your offer. So the purpose of this squeeze page is to warm your audience further. So when they come from here to your opt-in page, there would be some content in your landing page or opt-in page that will warm these folks a little bit, and then from your opt-in page they'll go to your squeeze or your pre-frame page, where we are going to talk to them directly and we are going to tell them everything about this particular product before they actually go and buy this product, and hopefully they'll be warmed enough that by the time they actually hit your offer page, they'll be ready to pull out their wallets and start buying your products. Okay, now this is a very basic representation of a sales funnel. Of course, there is a lot more that goes on in this sales funnel. Like once they buy your offer, you upsell them. If they decline your offer, you downsell them. So there's a lot more that goes to a sales funnel, but I wanted to give you a brief overview of this sales funnel. And like I said before, if none of this makes sense to you, if you're absolutely new to this particular field, that's the whole point of this course. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through every single component of this, and I'm going to help you create every single component in the subsequent videos. Okay, so in this particular course, what I'm going to cover is I'm going to cover this part, pretty much this part, and this is the build phase. Okay, and in this particular module, what I'm going to cover is, let me just clean this screen. In this particular module, I'm going to cover number one, we are going to go and get your custom domains. We are going to get your custom domain registered. Second, we are going to set up your hosting account. Okay, hosting account. And number 3 is I'm going to show you how to link your custom domain with your hosting account. Okay, and then number 4 is I'm going to show you how to create your custom email address, and also how to optimize your email for maximum deliverability. Okay, and number 4 and number 5, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your hosting, in your custom domain. Okay, so this is what I'm going to cover in this particular module, and I hope that you follow through every single step, because all of these steps are very, very important to start building your business the right way. And I look forward to seeing you inside of the course. All right, my friend, I'll see you there. Bye.